Hi, in this short video I would like to show you the current state of the manufacturing of the LdreamM headsets. First, let's start with some difficulties. The first difficulty was still the end of last week on Friday. I got a message that 3 packages were delivered with electrical components, but they weren't. I was waiting a few days, and today I was in a post office. I was asking what is the current state with these packages. They told that they don't know, and they will investigate it. But it can take a while. That's why I had to reorder these components. Anyway, it will take another 3-4 weeks for delivery, but I anyway hope that it will not cause any delays in the whole project. The second quite big difficulty was that this week on Tuesday, the 3D printer which I use for printing the EEG headsets went out of order. I don't know what was the reason, and actually I don't have time to try to repair the printer. That is why I immediately ordered a new one. This is from Germany, and it should be delivered in 2 to 5 days. So hopefully on the next week I will receive the new 3D printer. I can assemble it and test it during one day, and after that I can continue printing of the components of the LdreamM headset. And now about good news. The development is going on, I mean the manufacturing. Till Tuesday, while the 3D printer worked, I could print actually all the, I don't know if you can see, these are the boxes which will contain the main electronics on the head. So here are all the 17 pieces. They are ready, and I still have finished these parts, which are the bottom parts for these boxes, and here are the lower parts which I could print already, except the one. It was the last one printing when the printer went out of the order. But anyway, this question will be solved, I'm sure. So this is about 3D printing, and finally I have received, as you can see, I have received all the PCBs from China, and excellent work. As you can see, here are the PCBs which will be used, and then they will be cut on these lines when all the components will be mounted. So this is again good news that we have received them. I still received the you can see the accumulators for the MP3 players. They look like this way. Actually, in the headset there will be 3 different type of lithium polymer accumulators. One for the microcontroller, the second one is for EEG module, and the third one, actually this type of accumulators, for the MP3 player and for the other hardware for stimulations. Okay, so I have received these 2, And these components were ordered here in Hungary. They are all the you can see here are the resistors and capacitors which will be used, and the soldier ever mounted. I have received these patents which will be used for holding the EEG electrodes, and actually I have ordered one more TPU filament, because I was afraid that there will be not enough filaments as I calculated, so I have ordered, and this is here if it will be necessary during 3D printing. And there are still a lot of other components arrived, so they are here in this box. I will not take them off from here, but this is good so far. And still about half of the components should be delivered. I hope that they will be delivered till the end of this month, till the end of September, or maybe on the beginning of October. As soon as all the components will be delivered, I will send the components and the PCBs to the manufacturer, who will solder all the components, and then we can do further the assembling of the headsets. Well, I think that is all for today. Thank you.